choice of quality of NIULI forklift. Self-Propelled Scissor Lift Table. The self-propelled scissor aerial work platform employs a vertical lifting mechanism based on a scissor structure. It offers working heights ranging from 6 to 14 meters. The electric scissor mechanism operates with low noise, produces no air pollution, offers skid resistance, and minimizes the risk of scratching the ground. Employs original imported key hydraulic components, ensuring high reliability and a long service life. Aerial operations can be carried out while walking or driving at low speeds. The wide-angle steering system offers superior maneuverability. Equipped with emergency stop and quick descent mechanisms. The platform can be extended to increase the work area, catering to the special needs of certain users. The fault diagnosis device on the work vehicle alerts the user to any possible errors. NIULI Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited. Website www.niuli.com, www.chinaniuli.com, www.niuliforklift.com. Email niuli@chinaniuli.com.